Good morning, I'm Brad Etheridge, a ParksitePRO from Atlanta, Georgia. I am currently headed to Cashiers, North Carolina to work with one of my accounts, Loudermilk Homes. My plan is to do a window demo and walk the job site in Saratoga Falls, Lot 5. I actually met Sherwin Loudermilk through a trade that I met at a gas station. There was a trade in the gas station, had 3 or 4 different kinds of house wraps, but he did not have any Tyvek. Basically, I went up and introduced myself, said the only thing you're missing on that truck is DuPont Tyvek. Today we're going to take a deeper dive into how ParksitePROs like me have impacted Loudermilk's approach to the building envelope process.
When I first met Brad, we understood the concepts of why you would want to put an envelope on a house, but we didn't understand the true science behind it. I spoke with Brad and I said, hey Brad, I want to be the best building envelope guy in town. I said, in fact, I'd like to even take that nationally. And he goes, are you serious? Are you ready to put the dollars behind it? I said, absolutely.
Brad showing us what ParksitePRO can do really opened our eyes and helped us understand the science behind it and gave us a direction from the standpoint of wrapping the window openings and then flashing the windows themselves properly. We've really reduced, if we have any problems at all anymore, it's very rare.
Our ParksitePRO Brad, he's helped us correct a few issues. When it comes to flashing, you have applied flashings and mechanical flashings. One thing that Brad kind of introduced to us was creating a slope sill underneath all of our windows. That allows us to have a mechanical flashing underneath that window. In case our applied flashings ever fail, they have a way to get out. So all of our window sills, we pre-slope in the framing about 5%. We like to take a belt and suspenders approach on things, whereas the flashing details that Brad's implementing using DuPont products, that is kind of our belt, and the suspenders is the mechanical side where we adjust it in framing to allow that water to get back out.
The more people that can put eyes on one of our products, the better. And not only does he come out and look at it and analyze it, but he teaches our guys each time why there's an issue and how to correct it for future. So he's consistently training our team on what to do and why it's so important. So our quality has gone up significantly since we've been working with him.
So he becomes an extension of our team to where we kind of get an extra project manager or superintendent that we don't have to support the bill for. Loudermilk Homes is a proud ParksitePRO strategy partner.
No matter the size of the project or the number of homes, ParksitePRO services are available to any contractor or builder looking to develop a weatherization strategy for their projects. We're everywhere. Reach out today and we'll get you in touch with your local ParksitePRO.